Hello, hello, hello. It's Naveen with Naveen's Cuisine, and I'm getting ready for a tea party for my girlfriends tomorrow, and it's a Parisian theme. So I'm making some chicken salad sandwiches, but I'm not doing a traditional with mayonnaise and such. I'm actually using a batch of Bearnaise that I made a couple of days ago, and it has the egg yolks, capers, red wine vinegar, olive oil, and chives, of course. So that would be my mayonnaise today, and it's very Parisian, very French. So I have 2 cups of chicken. I have chicken of the sea, 2 cups of those, 2 cans, and I flaked them up. Then I put my Bearnaise sauce on top, and I'm gonna give it a whirl, get it all nice and smooth enough to go on my bread. See you in a few. Hello there, it's Naveen with Naveen's Cuisine, and the chicken salad is all done. It has some Bearnaise sauce in it, and I added some Dijon mustard, freshly cracked black pepper, and herb de Provence sea salt. And it's nice and spreadable. And I found this wonderful bread, marble dry. It's a little thick. As you can see, it's about 1/2 inch. So I would like to spread it out a little bit and roll it out just to make it a little thinner. And what I like about catering and hosting parties is I have all these things planned, but sometimes I make a change last minute, just depending on what's going on. So see how nice and thin that is. I'm thinking of making some chicken salad roll-ups, and also maybe some chicken salad Eiffel Tower cutouts. So I got my Eiffel Tower cookie cutter. I'm gonna press it down and see how that looks and feels. You can always save the little cutouts for bread pudding or something. Maybe I'll make some chicken salad Eiffel Tower cut-ups, but I also want to toy with the idea of roll-ups. So basically you got your bread nice and smoothed out, and I got my chicken nice and smooth in the blender, and I might use, well, let's see here. Always keep some paper towels to wipe your knives with. So let's see, I'm gonna cut the crust. All these little pieces are nice to munch on. Probably won't have dinner tonight, just eating off all these little cutouts. So I might roll it over from one end to the other. Yeah. So we put it on a sheet pan tonight, parchment paper, and keep it the open side down. And then tomorrow, it's really nice to, when it's nice and cold, you can roll it pieces, cut some pieces out, like such. They look nice and decorative. And or I'll cut some more Eiffel Towers. So I'm trying to get 2 out of this slice, and I think it's possible if you position it right. Get 2 out of those, no problem. There you go. So I'm gonna see if I can put and spread it out nicely. You can also use a piping bag if it's easier. And then we put the other piece on top. And voila! Chicken salad. Eiffel Towers. And the trick is to keep it nice and moist, because once the bread is cut out, it's easy to dry out. So I'm going to put it in a Tupperware container and make sure it's all nice and the lid is tight. So tomorrow nothing will dry out for my party. You can make it the same day too if you like, but I like to be proactive and get as much done as possible.